Welcome to our video on the history of political thought. Politics has been a crucial part of human societies since the beginning of civilization. In this video, we'll explore the evolution of political thought from ancient Greece to modern-day politics. The birthplace of Western civilization, ancient Greece was the birthplace of political thought. Thinkers such as Plato and Aristotle wrote extensively on government and the nature of the state. Plato, for instance, argued that the ideal society was one ruled by philosopher kings who possessed both wisdom and virtue. Aristotle, on the other hand, believed that the best form of government was one that served the common good and aimed at achieving justice. The Roman Empire also played a vital role in shaping political thought. Roman thinkers like Cicero and Seneca wrote on political philosophy, and their ideas influenced political thought throughout the Western world. Cicero, for instance, argued for the rule of law and the idea of natural law. He believed that laws should be just, and that they should be based on natural principles that are applicable to all people. Seneca, on the other hand, was critical of the Roman Empire and wrote extensively on the idea of individual freedom. During the Middle Ages, the influence of the Catholic Church was paramount in shaping political thought. The concept of divine right, where kings and rulers were seen as ordained by God, was widely accepted. The Catholic Church also had a significant impact on the development of the idea of the state, with many thinkers arguing that the state had a divine mandate to rule and protect its citizens. The Enlightenment brought a new era of political thought. Thinkers such as Locke, Thomas Hobbes, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau wrote about individual liberty, democracy, and the social contract. Locke, for instance, argued that people have natural rights that governments should protect, such as life, liberty, and property. Hobbes, on the other hand, believed that humans are inherently selfish and violent, and that the state was necessary to maintain order. Rousseau, meanwhile, wrote extensively on the idea of the social contract, arguing that government is legitimate only if it represents the will of the people. The American Revolution, which led to the founding of the United States, was heavily influenced by Enlightenment ideas. The U.S. Constitution, which remains a model for democratic governments worldwide, is based on these ideas. The concept of checks and balances, for instance, was inspired by Montesquieu's idea of separation of powers. The First Amendment, which guarantees freedom of speech, religion, and the press, was influenced by John Locke's ideas on individual liberty. In the modern era, political thought has continued to evolve. Thinkers such as Karl Marx and Friedrich Nietzsche have had a significant impact on political philosophy, and their ideas have shaped political movements throughout the world. Marx, for instance, argued that capitalism was exploitative and that workers should own the means of production. Nietzsche, on the other hand, was critical of democracy. As we conclude our video, we hope that you've enjoyed this brief overview of the history of political thought. Understanding the evolution of political thought is crucial to understanding the modern world and the systems that govern our societies. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on philosophy and history. And if you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.